This just happened.
Jesus Christ.
There we go. What's up, everyone? Today we modded some cars. Got my MMD box right here. New front chin splitter. I'm about to go meet up with T real quick at her cousin's house. She just got new intake for her car. And yeah, sorry, if y'all didn't know, T drives a 2016 Dodge Charger RT. Only dilemma is how I'm gonna fit this box inside my Mustang. You know what? Hold on, watch this. And boom, she is in there. Got the box all in. Well, let's head to it. All right, we in the car. Now it's time for a little startup. Oop, well, as soon as I get this key in, start Panda on up. Got the air on because it's hot today. Y'all hear that? Whew, let's get going. As you see, I'm sweating. It's hot. Yeah, so it's a little late in the day, like just a little bit. That's because, well, mostly because of me, because I had a lot to do today. For those of you that's from the main channel, and for those of you that don't know, I am a chef and a cake decorator. You hear that? Yeah, and so I had a lot of orders to do today before it was time to go meet up with T. It's like 5 p.m. Well, it's past 5. It's like 5:30. But headed to go meet up with her now. I mean, it shouldn't take long to put on this front chin splitter for my car and the cold air intake for her Dodge Charger. So driving next to 18-wheelers, especially here in Memphis, is kind of, makes your heart beat a little bit because folks in Memphis cannot drive. Sad to say, I'm talking about my own city, but people here cannot drive. Like, they cannot drive. Hold on, y'all. I love that sound. Whew. Now, I love my exhaust, but sometimes the cabin noise, that drone, it's kind of too much. And the exhaust that I run on my car is the Pipes catback exhaust for the 14 V6 Mustang, the 3.7 liter Mustang. Like I said, the Pipes catback exhaust, it sounds great. It sounds fantastic. I get lots of compliments on it, even from VA car owners. But when you're driving, especially with the air on, like what I got on right now, the drone inside of here, it's bad. Like, I know it's probably loud to y'all on camera too. Like, just me accelerating like that was probably loud to y'all. So I'm sorry for that, but I love this exhaust. It's just the only downside is the drone you get inside the cabin. So yeah, but I'm on my way to T. I'll be there shortly. That's all, y'all. I got a slight speech impediment for those that do know, and for those that don't know, I stutter just a little bit, just a little bit. Yeah, but I'll get back with y'all once I make it to T. All right, peace. All right, and we finally at T's cousin's house. Nice little neighborhood, all the way out in Germantown. She gonna tell me East Memphis. We out in Germantown. Brought some Gatorades and stuff because I know we gonna get thirsty working on this car. There go her car right there. Her little intake on the ground. All right. Yeah, but this is her Dodge Charger. That's her Instagram and YouTube name. Yes, you are a little.
I'm like, man, shut up.
Yep, yep. What's up, T?
That's all you need. What's up? What's going on? Show finna,
Hello.
do this. And it'll be my first actual modification that I'm doing.
Her first performance mod.
My color intake.
Yeah. Now, T, now I'm just like you know right now. Once you start modding, you not gonna stop. The mod bug already be bad with me.
You ain't got no choice. You ain't got no money. Stop modding.
It's called what you be using? Affirm credit.
I use the monthly payment to pay for my mods and everything.
All right, well, let's get to it. So T is probably about to hit me. When I was grabbing the Gatorades and stuff, I think I left the bag of tools at home.
There you go.
Oh.
One piece.
Oh, shoot, no.
What?
Hit it. No. No, my heart skipped a beat.
I can take it 308.
So no, I started thinking like, I forget. Oh no, I guess you grabbed them.
What?
The tools.
Oh no, I ain't grabbing no tools yet.
I thought for a second I left them at home.
I was finna say.
I'm gonna say because I sure was just saying, Lord, T gonna beat my butt. All right, so finally, after about what, a good hour or more.
No, I think about an hour. It really didn't take that long. It took long, but it didn't really take that long. It just feel like Phil because it's hot outside.
Yeah, so we finally got T's cold air intake on. It was a pain, mostly because of her airflow sensor. Pretty much the whole thing was a pain. Listen, all y'all companies that produce cold air intakes, look, I know you want snug fits on stuff, but stop making it to where you can't do nothing. I know. Wait, what?
We are not virgins. It don't have to be that tight.
You heard that, cuz dealing with this part, that, this, and this was a pain. But so now that we got T settled, matter of fact, T, give us a rev real quick. Woo! All right, so we got T settled now. Now we about to go back to my car and put on this splitter before the sun sets all the way down. All right. Oop. So let's get to it. All right, and we got my car all jacked up now on jack stands. About to get to work on it. Ready, T?
Ready.
So I was hanging out with T today. We was doing some more mods to my car, in her car. I put on this MMD Splitter. Everything was going good, but you see that? Only reason why is the original owner that had this car before me had that other splitter that was on there. I would just say a nigga rig, and it's parts and pieces of the bumper that's broken, so I can't clip it on. So I might have to wake up in the morning and go some new clips or something and drill holes in, or get some 3M tape to hold this down, cause that ain't gonna do. I got everything else secured, fastened down as best I can. Just take my time driving.
Oh. Congratulations, you played yourself.
Well, this just happened on the side of the expressway. The wind got to it and forced it off.
Jesus Christ.
I mean, so that really doesn't bother me. That doesn't bother me. I can be okay with that. All right, so hold on. All right, so some of you were wanting to know how is it messed up on the bumper on the bottom. Here, I'll show you. Hopefully y'all can see. Look, right there, you see that? That's where the clips are supposed to go into, right there, but they can't because it's broken, it's missing. The thin pieces of plastic right there where clips are supposed to go so that I can screw in the bumper. What's up, y'all? So it's later on in the day. I was tired again. So yeah, that was the issue with the splitter right there. came off, and so I gotta find someone now who can fix it, or in other words, do like what the previous owner of my car did that I never knew about, rig it up. Yeah, but I'll find someone eventually. I've been asking around. Folks said that they'll ask for me, so we'll see. Hopefully, you know, I get it fixed soon, because my car looks ugly without a front splitter down there. But all right, y'all, I'm about to end this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.